Hi, English 101 students. Welcome to the final week of the summer session. So as you might have noticed, I swapped the final due date for your final paper and your final presentation to the 3rd. Okay, so your papers will be due the 3rd instead of the 2nd. So that gives you an extra day. MCC delayed the date that we need to submit final grades to an extra day. So I was able to give you an extra day to work on your paper. So everything will be due on Wednesday the 3rd instead of Tuesday the 2nd. So that gives you an extra day to work. Okay. This week you have a few video lectures on Monday you need to watch. Your first paragraph, unpacking your first paragraph, the expectations for your final essay, the expectations for your final presentation. Again, both of the final paper and the final presentation will be due on the 3rd. I will be looking for AI, any influence of AI for your final paper. So avoid using AI. I will have the AI checker on for your final paper. Avoid using any AI at all if you can. Okay. I know you might want to use it to peer review your paper a little bit, but don't use AI to write your paper. That's why I'm having you write a specific paper about your community. It's something I need you to focus on finding your own voice. AI will not save you in the future when you need to write a paper for another class or for your career. So this is an opportunity for you to really find your voice, explain something you're passionate about. That's something AI just cannot do for you. So take advantage of this, okay? Um, Again, make sure your first paper, or your final paper, the first paragraph outlines the problem, describes the current solutions to the problem, your solution to the problem. Make sure you use a subordinate conjunction such as although, even though, or while, and then a roadmap to implement your solution. First, second, third, fourth. Your second paragraph will cover the problem. Your third paragraph will cover the current solutions to the problem. Your fourth paragraph will cover your thesis, your solution to the problem with the steps. And then each paragraph after that will cover the specific steps to implement your solution. Okay? So the first paragraph literally is the blueprint for the rest of your essay. Now, I did grade your synthesis essays. You can find your grades uploaded already in the grade book. And I just want to say I had a really good semester with all of you. I really appreciate all of your work. It was a lot of work to do in 5 weeks. I understand that. I will have office hours on Wednesday morning from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. So if you want to swing by and ask any final questions about your paper, please do so. Any questions about your grade, please do so. Final papers and final presentations are due Wednesday, July 3rd by 11:59 p.m. Do not submit things late because I have to submit grades the next day. Okay, so I don't have time to wait for you to submit papers later. I need everything done as soon as you can. Make sure you submit your final presentation. Don't lose out on those points. And again, your final presentation simply summarizes your final paper in about 3 minutes. Make sure you use a claim of policy in both your final paper and your final presentation. Keywords like we should, we need, we must. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. And you'll find all that information again in these 2 video lectures. Make sure you watch these video lectures because they review the expectations for both your final presentation and your final paper. And it basically provides a reminder for exactly what I'm looking for. Okay? Have a great rest of your summer. Take care.